Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. In today's recipe I'll be showing you guys how to make ratatouille. These are the ingredients I'll be needing for this ratatouille. I have red bell pepper, I have green bell pepper right here, I have 2 eggplants, okay, I have a sushi right in here, I have cherry tomatoes, I have onion, I have salt to taste, black pepper, seasoning cube, curry. These are the ingredients I will be needing for this ratatouille. If you don't know what is ratatouille, ratatouille is a combined legume that is made with oil. Okay, I just have to put those legumes aside. Just put this way. Okay, now I will be chopping the whole of the legume. The tomatoes, after chopping the tomatoes, I will blend it a little, just a little, not much. Here I have this sushi right in here, just popped right here aside. Okay, you see it guys. What I will do now, you see this, I'll be removing the center part of it. Okay, make a sushi this way. Okay, just chop it into 2 or 3 parts. Okay, we just chop it into a cube. Okay guys, just after chopping it, just put it on a bowl, right inside the bone. Okay, here we have the eggplants. Okay, do the same with the eggplants. Okay guys, you can see how okay guys, as you can see, all the vegetable is ready right now. Okay, the sushi and the eggplants are being chopped right in here. Okay, you can see all are chopped. This is just the boiled meat I have boiled already. Okay, I believe everyone knows how to boil meat, so you can use meat, you can use any meat of your choice. Okay, you can decide not to put meat at all. It's not. Here is the tomatoes. I've just chopped the tomatoes and I blended it a little bit. Okay, not too much smooth. Okay, I'll be using this. Go into the video, go into the cooking. Okay guys, now I will be adding this is the pot I will be using. I will just add some vegetable oil. Okay, that will be enough for me to cook the ratatouille. Okay, yeah, I think this is enough. Allow the oil to bleach a little onion. Okay, allow the onion to fry. Now you add you can see the tomatoes, add the blended tomatoes. You can blend the tomatoes very well. You can see the still seed okay, parts of the tomato. So just add the tomato, okay, and try to mix. Okay, just mix the tomato. Okay, allow it to cook. Cover it up, allow it to cook for some few minutes. Okay guys, let's check it out. Okay, you can see. Okay guys, so we have to let the tomatoes to cook for some few minutes to less if it's acid, okay, to less this acid taste. So first of all, we cook it very well. And now we'll be adding the seasoning cube, the curry, salt to taste, the black pepper. Just add, then mix, okay. And now we'll be adding the red bell pepper and the green bell pepper. Cheese and the eggplant. So we added the eggplant and the sushi little by little. Okay. Okay. When making your ratatouille, okay, don't add water. It's the sauce tomato that you use to cook the whole of the legume. Not adding water to it. Okay, so that you will have the best taste. Okay guys, you can see now I'll be covering it up. I like it to cook on a low heat, not on a high heat guys, on a low heat, so I won't allow the ratatouille to get burned. Okay, just cover it up this way. You can see there is a sauce tomato, so we are using this sauce to cook this ratatouille, not adding of water. Okay, allow it to cook 25 minutes, okay, on a low heat. Okay guys, let's check it out. Okay, you can see it's almost ready. Almost ready, you can see that. Okay, so just have to turn it, okay. So now I will be adding more boiled meat. Okay, I'm adding the boiled meat. You can decide not to add the boiled meat, okay. You can eat it just this way with any fried meat or any roasted meat of your choice. But mine, I decided to boil the meat and I'll be adding the meat right inside. Okay, so now I'm going to be mixing it right now. Okay guys, you can see. Okay, now I cover it up, allow it to cook along with the vegetable. Okay, just give it time to cook. I'll cover it up, still on a low heat guys. Okay. Okay guys, as you can see, we are done making it guys. It's so yummy, as you can see. Okay, it's so yummy, it's so presentable, you can see that. Okay, the ratatouille is ready guys, you can see that. If you like this recipe guys, okay, this ratatouille you can use it to eat anything of your choice, anything eatable you can use it to eat. I can recommend you to dish it out with rice, okay, with rice, with spaghetti, with boiled potato, with yam. Okay, it's very good. So guys, if you like this my recipe, give it a thumbs up, share this video guys, subscribe to my channel, okay, and don't forget to on the bell notifications so that anytime I upload you will be notified. Thank you for staying tuned. I appreciate you all. See you guys in my next post. Bye bye.